Hello everyone, welcome to Peter Thread, the next most interesting channel on the web. My name is Paul, and today I've got a neat video for anyone looking to tinker with large language models on their own personal devices. I was exploring GitHub's trending repositories and came across Ollama. Ollama is a library written mainly in Go that allows you to get up and running with large language models locally. It's pretty neat. You do not need GPU, given that you have enough RAM. I'm currently on a Linux system. I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, and I have a i7 Intel Core processor. I'm going to show you how to get up and running with Llama2. Llama2 is an open source, free for research and commercial use large language model. This is a differentiator for me when determining which models I want to use when building professionally or even for my own personal projects. Llama2 is pre-trained on publicly available online data sources, and they're also trained on 2 trillion tokens and have double the context length of Llama1. And if you look at this graph, you can see that you can run models of different sizes. So let's go back to the Ollama documentation. We're going to click on models. I said I wanted to show you how to run Llama2. We're going to click on Llama2, and you can see the memory requirements here. So I have a 16 gigabyte system, so I can run the 13 billion parameter model size, and you can run 7 billion parameter model size with 8 gigabytes of RAM. So let's get started. Let's go to the GitHub repository, and we're just going to copy and paste this curl command. Let's go to the terminal, paste it in there. Oh, gotta get rid of all this. And we'll just run it. So let's take a second here to run it. Enter your sudo command password. Oh, typed it in wrong. So if you look here, you can see that no NVIDIA GPU was detected, so Ollama will run this in CPU mode. So once you've successfully installed Ollama, you can go back to the GitHub repo, and you can see that to quick start, you just simply run ollama run llama2. So we're going to do exactly that. We're going to ollama run llama2. And it's going to take a second here to download the model. So we're just going to wait it out. Once it's done running, you will see this screen, and here we can run /? and see the list of available commands. So right here on the command line, it says send a message. So we can query Llama2 right here, and I'm just going to ask it to describe a beautiful house on a sunny marsh. So please describe a beautiful house so this will take a second, and you can see that Llama2 is responding. As you walk up the winding path, the sound of chirping birds and gentle breeze fill the air. The sun shines brightly overhead, casting a warm glow over the landscape. Ahead of you, you see a stunning house settled among the tall marsh grasses. The house is made of natural materials such as wood, stone, and mud, and blending seamlessly into the surrounding environment, blah, blah, blah. So this is generating a pretty in-detail response, which is honestly pretty impressive for just running this model with your CPU. I'm going to let this continue generating the response, and in the meantime I just want to say that there is also a REST API available with this repository, and I'm going to find it right here. And you can use this REST API to put this model behind the front end. And if you're interested in seeing a video on how to do that, please leave a comment. And if you wouldn't mind, if this video helped you in any way, please leave a like or subscribe to PetaThread. And we're going back here. This is still generating. So this is a pretty in-depth response for just that one prompt. Yeah, so now you know how to use Llama2, how to get started with Llama2 locally, and you can test out Llama2 on your own. Thanks for watching.